As you know, the market recently crashed, and while everyone is panicking, the whales are loading up while everything is still cheap. And everywhere you look, there's headlines telling us where the money is. Whales are buying XRP and Doge and WorldCoin, and billions of tokens are moving off exchanges. But it doesn't stop there. Whales are also loading up on Pepe and Hyperliquid and Solana and ENA and Chainlink and Stellar. Okay, hang on. So what you're telling me is that basically whales are just buying everything. Pretty much every altcoin in the top 100 has some kind of headline about it, about whales accumulating that particular token. And so what are we meant to do with that information? Are we just meant to put $1 into each one of the top 100? Now, it's not to say that whales aren't buying all this stuff, but it makes it seem like, oh, I've got to ape into this because all the whales are buying it, and so the price is going to go up. But in terms of wanting to know what could potentially break out, it's literally just saying everything could do that. And so that's not that useful. So right now, I'm going to show you in real time what could potentially break out right now or within the next couple of days or weeks. And the thing is, right, is that this is super simple and super easy to do. And I'm surprised why more people aren't doing this. So if you want to see where the money is going right now, you can come to CoinMarketCap and come over and click on filters. And then you can set the market cap, the minimum to 1 million and the max to 100 million. And the reason you want to set it in that range is because anything lower than 1 million is probably going to be illiquid, and anything over that is probably already going to be priced in. And then you want to set the price change, the minimum to 1%, which basically just shows this coin is currently active and it's currently trading. And then you just click on apply and boom, this is where all the action is right now. And so there's a couple of ways that you can sort this. If you want to see what's breaking out right now, you can click on the 24-hour percentage, and this shows you all the, all the recent stuff that's sort of been happening in the last 24 hours. If you want to see what's having a lot of volume at the moment, you just click on volume, and then it shows you what is seeing a crap ton of volume right now. And what you actually want to look at with the chart when you're looking in it, let me just sort of close the time range a little bit on this, so it's just sort of the last week or a couple of weeks, is you want to see higher lows, which this one is seeing. This is a low around $6, then the next low is around $8, and you just want to see slow accumulation and just a sort of slow, steady trend up. So this is kind of ticking all the boxes for that, but obviously you don't want to stop here. You want to go check it out, check out the socials, check out the team, check out if it's got a community, all that type of stuff. You've got to do all your research for that. But this is an amazingly good place to start. What you can do is, once a day or every couple of days, you can come back here and see the pattern, see what's actually happening. And that's going to give you an idea of sort of that accumulation and what might be about to break out. Something you want to avoid on charts is big spikes and then sudden drops, because that could indicate manipulation or pump and dumps. Instead of guessing what the whales are doing or sort of reading too much into those headlines, which are just either sponsored or just trying to get clicks, then you can actually go and look at the real data yourself and see what's actually happening right now. You're going to notice trends, and you're going to notice coins keep popping up, and those are the ones which have the potential to break out. But you've got to remember, this is just part of the research. You've got to go on and do more research. It's really important. You can't just base it on this alone, because if you miss something like, oh, there's no real community, or there's nothing known about the devs, or this is only 5 days old, then those are real risks. And I'm really curious, what coins do you think might break out? What do you have your eye on? I'd love to know. Please let me know in the comments. And if you want to be kept up to date, then make sure to come back. And until next time, I'll see you in the next vid.